friend Jay here, and the song I'm about to do is a song I never intended to do. I sang it to a friend. They enjoyed it, but the whole time it was a game. I was just playing. But they liked it, so they requested it, so this is why I'm doing it. It is Train, Hey Soul Sister. So.